Hello students, today we are going to talk about subjects, fragment and sentence. The subject, it can be one word or more. It tells what the sentence is about. So every time we have a sentence, it is talking about the subject. For example, amazing animals live in the zoo. Who live in the zoo? Amazing animals. So this is the subject. Here we have the guard has a trident. Who has a trident? So it is the guard. The guard is the subject. Here we have many sentences. We are going to read each sentence and decide what is the subject. So balloons float in the air. So balloons is the subject. The guard holds a trident. The guard is the subject, because if we ask who holds the trident, it is the guard. Someone brings a letter for the king. Who brings a letter for the king? Someone. So someone is the subject, and so on. We continue. Now let's move to fragment. So the fragment is the sentence that doesn't have full meaning. So to fix this fragment, we can add a subject to the sentence. For example, I have here fly in the air. We didn't understand anything from this one. So if we ask ourselves what flies in the air, so we can add balloons. Balloons is the subject that fixes the fragment. The sentence becomes like this: balloons fly in the air. Now I have full meaning, so I fix the fragment. Okay, here we have a couple of fragments, and here we have subjects. We have to add each subject to the correct fragment to have a full meaning and to become a sentence. After we finish that, we have this exercise to do. Here we have to write what is the subject of each sentence after reading it. So the queen dusts the room. You have to think about it. 4 banners hang from the ceiling. The opt sign has lines on it. A guest arrives in opt. And here we have missing subjects. For each sentence or for each fragment, we have to add the subject to have a full meaning sentence. And please don't forget that every sentence starts with a capital letter and finishes with an and mark. So, for example, I just read about opt. The sentence starts with a capital letter and finishes with a full stop. It can finish with an exclamation mark or a question mark.